Finally, the day is upon us. I am in my winter suit and I'm about to put the project boat on the water for the first time since I've completed it. What a circus that was. Oh, I lost my rod. That's a good one. That's a big one. Oh my! So the day is finally here. The project boat is going to go on the water finally. I am, I guess, pretty much ready. A few wiring things I'd like to tidy up, but I've been planning this trip for a few months and I thought I'd be well and truly ready, and we're not. But sander is in, everything else is in. Wiring just needs to be tidied up, but apart from that, we are ready to try and catch the project boat's first Murray Cod. So I'll give you a quick rundown because I didn't do really like a closeout video of the project boat, so I'll run through everything as it is. So we have a Lowrance Ghost trolley motor up the front. I mounted a little floodlight on the front as well for driving back in the dark because all of my mates have one and it's been a while and I don't really want to drive back in the dark. Everything in my beautiful new boat is filthy dirty because Siri took us on a dirt road. Live sonar pole, G-Fab pole. I have the longest version. Watch out for the transducer there, love. Glow in the dark handle. I've got Jared to retrofit me up like a little, I guess, waterproof compartment. And I've got my headlamps in here, my phone goes in there, car keys go in there. Perfect little thing. And my switch panel is on the side. But everything is in there to stay nice and dry. Left Dad's chair in here. Fits perfectly. Little switch panel I mounted down here on the side of my compartment as well. So turn that on and we'll turn on this new HDS 16 Pro. Go more into that when we get onto the water. We have new Mercury 4-stroke 40. I still have to get rid of the 25. Nice new stainless prop. Same prop I had on my last one. New Lowrance active imaging high definition transducer.
What does it do?
What does it do?
Yeah.
Finds fish.
I saw the camera there. What finds the fish?
This looks out to the sides of the boat and the other one is to look out the front. And it's not a camera, darling.
Sonar.
Live sonar. Can we continue the tour or? Okay. Fixed all my mud guards. Jared fixed all them for me. Put them back in the right spot. That's about it. All the lighting is done. So now, all the other things I want to show you, I'll show you in the water. So let's go. So have a look at this. Hit accept. Not now. So the sounder is mounted on one of Chris's G-Rex mounts. So when I'm driving, I'll have it laying down like this. I'm just running one unit at the moment, and that way I can see my sonar and chart while I'm driving. Then when I'm fishing, I'll lift it up to this position, tighten it up, then loosen that off and lift that up and tighten that off. Ooh yeah, nice and neat. Choose active target, turn it on, and there we go. If only that was a cod straight away. So if you turn that thing your hand is on,
What?
if you turn it,
Yeah, it will be the gas. My glide is ready, are yours?
what?
My glide is ready. Are your glide ready?
So I finally got the project boat on the water, and I have a couple of goals. Some are probably a little bit excessive, but we'll see. So before we get into it, I'll show you something new. This is my custom designed colour. It is golden perch or yellow belly. Has UV on the belly, green belly, gold body, dark head, red eyes, and that is the Torment tail. A tail that I had a hand in designing as well. It's off the GX tail of the Gen 2s, and then the yellow belly golden perch colour, which is mine. So that brings me to what my goals are for this boat. So what I would like to achieve in the project boat is obviously christen it with a fish. First fish would be nice if it was a meter cod, so that's a little bit excessive. Second, I would like to catch that meter cod on my new custom colour. My colour, my tail, meter cod in project boat. It's an evening session, afternoon session, so probably not going to be as productive as what a morning will be, but at the same time, I'm not one to give up. So that is my goal, meter plus cod on my new colour in the new boat. Secondly, what I would like to achieve, the person holding this camera is, as you all know, Elena, with a funny look on her face. I would like her to also catch her first big cod. So I don't mind how. She has her token alpha tail already rigged on the spin rod. So we'll see. That will be goal number 2 for this afternoon. If not, it'll be the goal for tomorrow morning. So let's get after it.
Hey guys, it's me, Elena, back in gold fishing in episode 5. Today we're gonna catch a cod. What?
Only one.
No, cod. You can't say cod in plural. What else? Very beautiful here, I'll show you. You can even see the reflection of the clouds. Darling, do you see?
The other cameras do that.
Not as cold as I thought it would be, but still a bit chilly. It's currently 5 p.m. and I still haven't fished. So I might take a fishing rod with me in my arm and catch a big cod. What do you think, darling? Let's go and see what Silvester is doing. We're still fishing together as a best couple in Australia.
What about in the world?
In the world. Wait, come here, baby. Thanks for watching. Saying hi to GFAB. And bye to you guys. And see you in a couple of minutes where I hold a big fish.
Look, scared of big cod. We're scared of big fish anyway. Just stop for a second. He's somewhere. There he is there.
Straight?
No, look where the pole is.
The pole is too straight. Oh, the pole is behind.
Wait. It's right there under the boat. There's 3 of them. Straight under the boat. Oh my God. Wow. See this thing here? Oh. Damn. Look at him.
How are you doing? Oi! Oh! What?
Tangled me up. Yep. Wow, it's a good one too. What a circus that was. Oh, I lost my rod. That's a good one. On the new colour. You know how to do it, or pull the slide it all the way back, twist it, no, see the, turn it the other way. Yep, pull straight now. Yep. First one, and it's a good one. And it's on my colour. He's a bit angry. It's a big one. Yes. Wow. He didn't look that big on the sounder either, so I've seen some big ones then. That was so loose. Nearly dropped my rod. Show you my lure. Actually now, turn that off. You ready for my colour? Get down there, darling. Look at that. Engulfed it. That's incredible. It's probably like a 80s model or something. High 80s.
Christ the boat.
Christened the boat. What did you say?
Christ.
Christened.
Christened.
Go like do some creative stuff. Is it focused on me or him?
Him. Okay. Very nice colors.
It is a very pretty fish.
Very green.
Let's see roughly how long it is. Over 90. Just on 90. First one in the boat. So good. Bit of a circus, silly dropped my rod. Jag wasn't set. Nice 90s model, not the meter I wanted, but it's on the lure and tail. I had a hand in designing, so that is awesome. Let it go. Switch
There's
the rod.
a beautiful sunrise on the background. You look very nice too. Very tanned.
You see the fish?
Mm-hmm.
See it, baby.
Well done. High five.
We did it, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Caught one. It was a circus, but we did it.
So beautiful. Look at the fog.